Exercise and a healthy diet are the secrets to staying beautiful and energetic. Like many people who love sports, I think exercise makes me more focused and strong. In addition to a moderate amount of exercise every day, it is also very important to replenish energy in a natural and healthy diet. Every morning, I have plant milk in my breakfast, such as soy milk, almond milk, oat milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, etc. I live a fast-paced life. A simple and easy-to-operate multifunctional kitchen appliance is essential because it can quickly make a variety of delicacies for me. I only need to operate it with one button, and then I can enjoy delicious food quickly. On weekends, I like to use it to make delicious food to entertain friends. It has a large capacity of 1.5 liters, which can make soups, milkshakes, and juices of different flavors. And I especially like its built-in filtering and clean functions. It really makes my life more convenient and healthier. I will keep exercising and eating natural food, and I look forward to using it with my friends and to make more delicious recipes and share them with everyone.